I'm going to show you two items and I want you to tell me what they have in common in terms of pronunciation. So item number one is this, very pretty. And item number two, completely different, is this, which you would use for baking, for example. Okay, so item number one is a flower. Flower, flower. And item number two is flower, flower. These two things have exactly the same pronunciation in terms of the phonetics. They're spelled differently, they're completely different things, but pronunciation-wise, they're the same.